Back. In this video, we're going to learn how to delete or clean your media cache files inside Premiere Pro. Alright, so basically Adobe Premiere Pro stores these media cache files in your hard drive, eating your hard drive storage. Alright, let's check that. Where are these files stored? Right, well, sometimes these cache folders get too large or contain a corrupt file, so you need to know where to locate them for deletion. So by default, both the cache files and the media cache database files are stored in these locations. So if you're using Mac computers, you can find it in the Users, Library, Application Support, Adobe, and Common. And then for Windows users, you can find those cache files in Users, and then your username, App Data, alright, and then Roaming, and then Adobe, and then inside of that there's a common folder where you can find those media cache files. Alright, so once you personally see those locations, you can just go to that folder and delete all the media cache files to clean up or to delete those cache files that's just merely taking a lot of space. Alright, since we are using Mac computers, what I'm going to do is go to Finder, click on Go, and then hold down the Shift key, and then click on Library. Alright, so once you click on Library, this Finder will show up. Alright, so all we have to do is to look for the folder name Application Support, and then click on Adobe. Alright, Adobe folder, and then inside of Adobe folder, let's look for Common folder, and then there's a media cache files or media cache here, and all of the PTX folder and everything. So what we need to do is we need to click on media cache files, and you will see all of these files just taking a lot of space in your computer that you don't need. All right, probably with your previous editing projects. All right, so if you want to know what is the size of these media cache files, just right click on it and then click on Get Info. It's really taking a lot of space. It's just taking 1 gigabyte, all right, of space. It's not benefiting me at all. All right, so just taking a lot of space in my computer. So you can check yours if that's so. To do that, just go inside of the folder and then select all. All right, by highlighting Command A and then right click, move to trash. All right, it's gonna delete it. All right, and then you can go to your trash and then empty your trash afterwards. That's basically how you delete or clean your media cache files in your computer. Alright, so don't you worry, because if you delete those cache files, Adobe Premiere Pro will automatically rebuild them. So just give some time to rebuild those cache files. Well, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.